Cloud SQL is a relational managed database service for MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server with replication support. It has automatic failover with read replicas. It has point-in-time recovery for restores, automatic scaling storage for up to 30 terabytes with SSD or HDD. We have data encryption at rest and in transit. It has simple pricing for CPU, memory, storage, and traffic. This one requires the most level of management out of all the providers, such as Spanner and AlloDB, but it is very cost effective. A Cloud SQL instance is a virtual machine on Google Cloud that runs your database. You can connect to the database using a static IP address. It provides a consistent endpoint for the application to access the Cloud SQL instance. A high availability standby virtual machine in another zone to take over if the original VM fails can be added, I suppose. The database is the core service, so that could be MySQL, Postgres, or SQL servers. It can store the database with durability and scalability via a persistent disk, or I suppose a hyperdisk, as hyperdisk is preferred these days. It has logging and monitoring built in, so you can track its performance, and it supports operational tasks. So there you